Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, George. So I got a package in the mail today, and been waiting for this for a while. Bought it on April 1st, and we're April 18 today. It was shipped express today after much delay, but hopefully this is going to solve the issue I have in my vehicle, and we're going to go ahead and open it, and hopefully there's no damage to it, and everything goes well. So we got the little bubble wrap envelope here, and sorry if I get off camera there. So we got 1, 2, 3 different envelopes here. Four. So cut another one. Good thing I'm recording because I didn't expect it to be packaged this good. Seriously, 5. The 5th package. Well, I can say I'll give it 5 stars on the shipping there, well, the packaging. And here's a new computer, Chrysler. It looks like they have one of these little security stickers they put on there because the original one doesn't have it. FlagShip1, and you can follow them on Facebook. I saw them on Facebook and on eBay and on Google. So, we'll see what happens. So it looks like they went ahead and sanded this down and painted it, because I got silver paint all over the plugs here on the outside. I guess that's why they sell them as refurbished. So like I said, this is just an unboxing video. Here's the tamper stick or whatever, security seal. So make sure I don't bust that open. And when you order it, they're gonna ask you for your VIN number, and these numbers right here kind of match my vehicle. I don't remember if it had an AA or a C or whatever it had on there, but they'll ask for your VIN number, and you can take a picture of your computer, send it to them, and they'll guide you in the right direction. So we'll see how this goes, and hopefully it works fine. So keep an eye out for another video on the installation. So far the packaging came out pretty good. What else can I expect? 5 different packages for one item, and then saran wrap or whatever at the very end. So alright guys, well, see y'all later, and have a good day. Bye bye.